Who watching this could use an extra $20,000 per month? Your parents ain't no shit. Your mama ain't no shit. Your daddy ain't no shit. Your grandparents ain't no shit. So now you don't know shit. Your kids ain't gonna know shit. From 2020 all the way to 2025, look how many credit people y'all see iced out, wearing designer clothes, driving in exotic cars. Who you think started that shit? I'm the one started that shit. So what I invest my cash flow in is, hey, happy, it's your boy, Mr. CJU, what it do? Back with another video. And look, in this video, I'm gonna tell y'all exactly how I make money off the credit game. And then what I do with the money, how I invest it. A lot of y'all wanna get the swipes, y'all wanna get the credit cards, y'all wanna get the funding. But the biggest problem I'm seeing out here in the game is when y'all get the funding, what you gonna do with it? Guys, you gotta invest the credit. You gotta invest. Remember, credit is just debt. Y'all gotta use your mind, use your brain. Credit is just debt. Like, just cause you get access to a bunch of credit cards, that don't mean you rich. That don't just mean you up. If you don't flip the credit cards, if you don't invest it, if you don't make money with it, you just gonna end up in debt and you're gonna end up fucked off and you end up back in credit repair. So you guys gotta get the full game, not just pieces of the game. So I'm gonna tell y'all exactly how I make money off the credit game, and you guys watch this full video for free and y'all can copy my blueprint. Just do the same thing I'm doing, especially a lot of you guys who are already rolling in the credit game, already doing like mentorships and coaching program, and you probably need a blueprint. Y'all can just copy mine. In this YouTube video, go down in the description and I'm gonna have just some links, some little Google Drive links, and then y'all can just click the links and I'm gonna have each one of my programs, each one of my offers. Y'all can look at them. I'm not trying to sell y'all shit on this video. Y'all can just copy my shit. If y'all want to tap in, tap in. If not, just catch the free sauce. All right. So look, let's say you learn the credit repair game. You lock in and you got an offer for $500. You charge $500 for credit repair. And let's just say they get you 5 months of credit repair. That's like, you know, $100 a month, 5 months. So within those 5 months, you're gonna send out the dispute letters. You're gonna remove the collections. You're gonna remove the charge-offs. You're gonna remove the inquiries. You're gonna help somebody repair their credit. 5 months, you're gonna lock in and get them right. All right. So that's one of your options. And then let's say you got a second option for $1,500. So let's just say that come with credit repair. I'm just put CR for credit repair plus CB. That B is for building. So now you can say, hey, $500, I just clean you up. $1,500, I'm gonna do the credit repair and I'm gonna coach you and show you how to build your personal credit profile, which is gonna put you in the best position of personal and business funding. I'm gonna tell you which banks you need to open up an account with, you know, how much money you need to put in there, what's the best Equifax banks, what's the best Experian banks, what's the best TransUnion banks. Like, I'm gonna put you on game on the building side, so I'm gonna have to work with you a little more. It's a little bit more in depth because everybody's situation is different. So that's my second option. All right, so let's say you coming out the gate with these two, a credit repair, and then you also got a building offer. Now, let's just say in 1 week you close 2 people for the credit repair, regular option. So that's gonna come out to $1,000 because it's $500 you close 2. And let's say you close 1 for the credit repair plus credit building, and that's $1,500. Your total here is $2,500. How many of y'all could use $2,500 a week? That's good money. That's you working at home, just on your computer. A lot of you mothers out there, y'all single mothers, y'all need to spend more time with y'all kids. Y'all can run this business from home. A lot of you guys who younger, who want to travel, who want some freedom, all you need is your laptop and you can run this business. Beautiful thing about this credit repair and funding business, I'm gonna talk about the funding in a second. Guys, it's not no big overhead. It don't cost a lot of money to run these businesses. $2,500 a week, that's good money. If you do the same thing the second week, that's 5 bands. You do that for the next 2 weeks in a month, boom, that's 10K. How many of y'all could use an extra $10,000 a month working from home, working while you traveling? This is good money right here. It don't cost a lot of money to run this business. You just need the game and the information. Now, let's go over to the funding side. Let's say you're running a funding company on the side of your credit company. And let's say on average, you get your clients $50K in funding. Let's just say on average. And then you charge your 10% fee. So that means your commission out of that is gonna be $5,000 per client. Some people be like, man, y'all be charging people 10% funding fee. Hey, people can go do their own fucking funding if they don't want to pay the fee for somebody to help them. Because if you do the funding on your own and you fuck it up, it's gonna cost you thousands of dollars than just having somebody do it for you and do it right. Let's say you do average $50,000. Now make sure they credit repair clean, they personal credit built up right, they got their business entity set up correctly. Then yeah, they gonna easily get a $50,000. They might get more, but let's just say on average they get $50K. 10% of that is 5 bands. So let's just say you get 2 funding clients per month. That's another $10K. $10K from the credit repair, $10K from the funding, that's a 20K per month business. Who watching this could use an extra $20,000 per month? How much can $20,000 change your life per month? Working from home. All you need is some internet. Cause look, I told y'all these businesses don't cost a lot to run. Ain't no major expenses every month. It's just not. You just helping people once you get the knowledge and the information. A lot of you guys, I want to invest in real estate. Well, you know how much it fucking costs to flip a house? It ain't cheap. It ain't that easy. Something go wrong on that real estate deal, your ass gonna get buried. Oh, I want to do Airbnb. Airbnb costs money. You gotta keep paying the rent. You gotta buy the furniture. You gotta hire the cleaning crew to keep cleaning it out. You gotta have the automation and stuff set up. And you better hope they rent your shit out. Cause if they don't, you still gotta pay them bills. The Wi-Fi bill, the internet bill. You still gotta keep up. You wanna do car rental, Toro, okay. You still gotta pay the car note. You still gotta pay the car insurance. You still gotta pay the maintenance of the car. You still gotta pay the watch, keep the car washed. And are you gonna run around and keep swapping out the cars for the clients and stuff? Or you gonna hire people to do that? All those take time and they take money to run. And then anytime them people don't rent out your car, rent out your Airbnb, or you don't flip their real estate deal, you gonna go bust. You be out of there fast. Y'all know how long I've been doing this shit. I done watched people fall off left and right, jumping into those businesses, thinking they passive income. Hell no, they not passive income. You gotta work. Now this business gonna require some work, but not heavy, hard work. And you can do it from home. You can do it while you traveling. Now, once you make it 20K a month, yes, you can hire your team. The VAs will send out the letters for you for a couple dollars a month. They'll do 10 to 15 credit repair letters for you. I got the VAs. They'll do it. I got a funding team that'll do the funding for your clients for you too. So let's say you fully automate this business, right? 20K a month, and it costs you $5,000 a month for your team to do all the work for you. So you taking home 15K hands off. Who tripping on that? You could take the full 20K, do it yourself, 15K hands off. Good money. No major overhead. You just need the knowledge and the information, and then you up. So this is what I'm saying. This is how I make money. This is how I train my students to make money, and they killing it. All these credit gurus y'all see online and that's turned up, that's getting money, this is what they doing. It don't take a lot. I just said 2 a week. 1. Even if you split all of this in half, even if you split it in half, it's still good money. 5K on credit repair, and you only got one funding client a month, and you making an extra 10K a month. You can stack that up. You can stack that up. That's good money. How much these fucking jobs out here paying? And you making money by helping other people turn up. And it's not hard to get clients with this once you do good work, because word of mouth referrals. You help one person, they gonna tell their brother, they gonna tell their sister, they gonna tell their husband, they gonna tell their wife. They gonna tell people about you, that you got them right. So this is easy, good money right here, and this is how you can make it. A credit repair company plus building up their personal, then put your little funding company on the side, you up. Very, very simple. I've been teaching this shit since 2017. People are making a lot of money off this business, really helping people in the credit game. Now, like I say, for me, credit repair. Now, I don't do the funding, the 10% myself. I coach people and that's how they run their businesses. I give away the funding game, meaning like when you want to do funding with me, I'm not going to take your information and do the funding for you. Like I'm going to pull up the laptops on Zoom and I'm going to just give you the game. Hey, these are the banks you go to on Experian. These are the banks you go to on Equifax. These are the banks you go on TransUnion. And I'm going to just show you how to do it. So now you got the sauce. Now you got the game. So that's what I do on the funding side. I'm going to just put the funding game right here. Then I got my community. So whenever y'all ready to really help a large amount of people, you can start getting reoccurring money from the community. And then I got my high ticket mentorships that range anywhere between $5,000 all the way up to $25,000, depending on what people really trying to do, how they trying to grow, how they trying to scale, how they trying to turn up. So this is me right here. These are mine. This is how I get paid out the credit game. I told you I've been doing this since 2017. So I can help people with credit repair. I give people the funding game. In my community, I do coaching calls every week, telling people what to do. People asking me questions, do this, do that. And then mentorships is for people who want to run the business. So this is how I get paid. So now what I'm finna tell y'all is how I invest the money that I'm getting paid for my business. This is how I'm able to stay in the game so long. Let's talk about investments. So what I invest my cash flow in is the stock market. I know I haven't talked a lot about that on my channel and stuff because I know y'all only want to hit credit game, but so many of y'all are just getting so deep in credit and getting so deep in debt, and y'all forgetting about stacking money and investing money. That's how we stay in the game for a long time. That's how we really build the wealth. Money can run out. You can spend it. You can get in debt. You got to protect yourself in the future. So I invest in the stock market. So my long-term plays is AI stocks. That's what I invest in long term. So all the ChatGPT stuff y'all playing with, all the apps, all this stuff we're using on our phones, all these social media apps, everything has been ran by AI, right? So I'm trying to make money off that. So I'm investing in the #1 biggest chip company, the chips they use to run the AI, which is NVIDIA. I invest in NVIDIA stocks. I also invest in AMD stocks. AMD create chips too. They're the smaller company to NVIDIA, but they competitors. I invest in their chips too because they making moves. I also invest in semiconductors, meaning these are the factories that produce the chips, all right? So I invest in the AI stocks and the semiconductors so I can ride the wave through this boom right now. So investing in these companies long term, that's just like investing in Amazon, Apple, Facebook, early 2000s. Early when they first came out, when it was like getting popping, but didn't nobody know how big it was gonna be. And you invested in that, man, people made a lot of money at that time. People are finna make millions of dollars. They already have, but making more millions with the AI stocks. So I'm holding these stocks for 5 to 10 years. This is gonna be worth millions. Do any research, millions of dollars. I'm saving myself for the future. So that's my long-term plays. The short term is the trading. It's the options play. So all my people in my high-level mentorships, I've been training people in the stock market who option traders for years on how to get access to credit, and these top traders, they get their credit, they liquidate it to cash, and they go into the stock market and they flip that shit. My guys know how to make anywhere between 500 to 1,000 per day in the market. They wake up in the morning, put their trades in, they make a little 500 to 1,000, they be good for the day. Good for the day. So I get down with them on this too, right? And then I also got my side hustle. I do a little sports betting too. I like to, sports bets. So those are my risky bets. Sports betting, my risky bets. Option trading, my short-term risky bets. And this is my long-term safety bet right here. So my cash flow coming from the credit game in my credit cards, I'm taking that money and I'm investing in my long-term, and then I'm doing my short-term and I'm just rotating it. I'm using my credit cards. Once I get funding, I don't really do too much funding myself because my cash flow good. But if I, build some credit profiles, I get an extra 50 to 100 bands in funding, I stuff it here. I might increase, do some business marketing, but then I come back and I invest it. I flip it. I liquidate the credits, dump it into the market. I got 12 months on 0% interest. My minimum payments ain't nothing but a couple $100, but I take that money, stuff it into my market, and then take my business to pay off the credit cards. And I'm just doing this little cycle here over and over, increasing my revenue, protecting myself for the future, scooping up some extra dollars here outside of my business. So that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm just all the way locked in with what I got going on. I get it. You guys are like, hey, skeptical. Is this person legit? Is this shit gonna be a scam? Or I really don't give a fuck. That's why I be telling y'all don't bring that shit to me. Don't bring y'all fears and insecurities about what's going on out here to me. I already got this shit going on, whether you fuck with me or not. I know how to get funding. I know how to run these plays, and I got a community worth of CJU members that been with me for over half a decade. We locked in. We run these plays all day long. And this is where you guys gotta be. Y'all gotta get a small business, increase your skills. You gotta get the knowledge first. Then you gotta practice it. That's how you're gonna increase your skills, by actually doing the work. Once you increase your skills and get the bread, you gotta start saving that and investing it over here so you can start building assets long term. And then most importantly, you pass this shit down to your kids. You pass it down to the youngins. This is why us as black people, we be in last place and we be struggling, we be confused, we be in credit card debt, we be behind on our bills. Man, it's not because you stupid, it's not because you lazy, it's not because you really fucked up like that, it's because nobody put you on. Your parents ain't no shit, your mama ain't no shit, your daddy ain't no shit, your grandparents ain't no shit. So now you don't know shit. And if you don't learn, if you don't dive into this, take this seriously, fully lock in, your kids ain't gonna know shit. I got fucking tired of losing. I got tired of being broke. And I said I need to change. So I had to change my ways. I had to read some books. I had to get about the streets. I had to change my environment. I had to change the people I'm talking to and hanging with. And I had to put the bread up to get some people to coach me and mentor me so I can learn some shit and I can move on with my life. So if y'all think everything is a scam, if y'all think everything bullshit, figure that shit out yourself then. Ain't nobody stopping you. You know what I'm saying? But this what I'm fucking with. The credit game and the stock game. And shout out to Wall Street Trapper because he been teaching people about stocks, like our people in the streets, people in the hood, people that just got out of prison. Wall Street Trapper been really telling people what to do with that stock market game. So I'm like, shit, I got this credit game. Now I'm gonna combine this credit game all the way with this stock game. I'm gonna show my people how to get access to the capital. Then I'm gonna show my people how to invest that shit. And we gonna keep this shit going, and we gonna uplift our people and get it out the banks and get it out the stock market. We don't have to like get it off each other and run each other to the ground. We can get it off these institutions, but we gotta tap in and get this game that we didn't have. But now it ain't no excuses. You got YouTube, you got the blueprint, you got ChatGPT, you got all these communities out here. You got people who've been there, done that, coaching and mentors. Now it's up for you to take the next steps. It's up for you to execute. Ain't no more excuses. You wanna change your life? You can change it right now. As I'm shooting this, is October 2025. You lock in the rest of this year, your 2026 gonna be an amazing year. Go on my YouTube and go watch my old video called Get It Out the Mud Blueprint. At the beginning of that video, I said, it's the end of 2019, and I'm about to give y'all the 2020 blueprint on the next moves. Go watch that video. I told people what to do. At the end of 2019, I told people 2020 what the play gonna be. And I told people in 2020, the play gonna be credit. Now look, from 2020 all the way to 2025, look how many credit people done turned up. Look how many credit people y'all see iced out, got jewelry on, wearing designer clothes, driving in exotic cars and shit like that. Who you think started that shit? Who you think started everybody dripping iced up in the credit game? Go check the stats. You go look it up. You go look it up and see who was the first one on YouTube iced up, dripped up, telling people what to really do. The OGs that I had to learn from, they were older men, they were older dudes. They weren't young and smooth like this. I'm the one started that shit. I told y'all the 2025 play. Some people won, some people lost. But the ones who stayed down, still here. The ones who quit, complained, and fucked off, they gone. Now I'm telling y'all who's still here, the play right now, from 2025 to 2030, the next 5 years, is the stock market. AI stocks. This shit gonna change your motherfucking life. But you gotta fuck with the credit first to get you some bread going, and then you can come over here and fuck with these stocks and ride this wave for the next 5 years, and you're gonna be a fucking millionaire. And again, you're gonna pass the game out to your kids, and you will never be broke again. Real talk, real talk. It's up to you, but ain't no more excuses. It's time to get this shit done. Now y'all already know, if y'all got questions, y'all can text me 832-551-3809. Y'all can shoot a text. Now I know a lot of y'all be wanna hop on the phone. I can't talk to everybody on the phone. I be busy and shit, but I can text y'all for free. You know what I'm saying? All day long. I don't want to charge y'all for a phone consultation. Just text me and tell me what y'all trying to get done. My community, join cju.com. That shit only $297 for 90 days worth of coaching. Get on the coaching call, learn the game, get some information, lock in if you ain't trying to spend a lot of money. And then I have my link down in the description for my mentorship if you trying to take it there. Or just copy all my shit. Go learn and fuck with somebody else and still run the play. Either way it goes, I want you guys to win, because it's our time now. It's no more excuses. We done being broke. We done being fucked up. We got the knowledge. We got the information. There's black people out here that look just like you, that's out here getting it and doing it the right way, and you can be a part of that shit too. So I already know I'm here to help y'all guys. Just shoot me a text, ask me any questions you have, and I will point you in the right direction. You ain't gotta buy shit. I'll tell you where you need to go and what you need to do. All right, but I do want y'all to win. We locking in the rest of this year all the way to next year. We're gonna get this money and we're gonna build wealth. All right, we're gonna do this shit the right way. Y'all already know. Till next time, it's your boy Mr. CJU. Have